iota classes.
Students, how we can solve this type of questions? So very simple. Now see how we will solve this. That here it is 500 to the power 500 upon 250 to the power 250. Now see the solution. So 550 can be written as 500 to the power 500. It can be written as 500 to the power 250 in plus into or you can write that plus 250 upon 250 to the power 250. Now see, this we can write that 500, so we can write that 250 plus 250, it will become 500. Okay, now so there is a formula we will have to apply over here, that it can be written as that 500 to the power 250, okay, multiply with 500 to the power 250. So there is a formula, so it is 500, not 5 only, 500 to the power 250. So this is a formula that if base is equal, sign is multiply, so power will add. Okay, now so there is a formula that a to the power m into a to the power m, so it will can be written as a to the power n plus m. Okay, so similarly we can write over there. Now see, this can be written as, so 250 to the power 250. Now again see that how we will solve this, that 500 to the power 250, okay, multiply with, so we can I am going to write like this, that 500 to the power 250 upon 250 to the power 250. So we can write this very easy. Now we can write this in this manner, we can write, because it is a multiple form. If we multiply, so we will get this only. Now see, after that what we will do, that here what it can be written as, so it is 500 to the power 250 multiply, so this can be written as, here power is same, so this can be written as 500 upon 250 to the whole power 250. So we know that by the formula only, that a to the power m, okay, by b to the power m, so it can be written as a by b whole to the power m. So similarly we have written over there. Now this will cut. Okay, so now we can write, see over here, 500 to the power 250, okay, multiply with, okay, so this can be written as, it will be cut by 2, okay, so 2 to the power 250. Okay, now see, if power is same and sign is multiply, so base will also multiply. This is also a formula. Okay, now there is a formula that a to the power m into b to the power m, so it can be written as a into b to whole to the power m. Okay, so similarly we can write this, that 2 into 500 to the power 250. Understood? Now this can be written as, my dear, 500 into 2, so 1000, 1000 to the power 1000 to the power 250. Now again, so this can be written as, 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. We know that 10 to the power 3 is 1000 to the whole power 250, so it is 250. Now power to the power, if power is at a to the power m to the power n, so it will multiply, power will multiply, so it can be written as a to the power m into n. Similarly here, power to the power, so 10 to the power 3, 3 to the power is this, so 3 multiply with 250. Okay, so we will get 10 to the power 250 into 3, so we will get 750. Na? 5 3 15, carry 1, 3 to 6 and 7, 750. So this is your final Answer the 10 to the power 750. If you understand this question, so please comment me on the comment section. And is there any problem, you can also mention your problem in my comment section box. So if you understand, so please like my videos and subscribe my channel, so I will bring for you this type of more and more questions for the next times. Okay dear, bye bye.